Hello, friends, and today we'll talk about trains a bit. This is the one I made today because I had nothing to do and I was free from my work. I have a demanding job, but this is the one I painted today just to make him. This one, all my trains have a name, and this one had Vasily, Sergeant Vasily, who took Berlin. And he's okay. He's just to bring from one point to another. The cheapest Märklin train you can buy is like 70 euro, and it's a plastic box. But if you give it some attention, it can be very nice and very, very nice. So it was green like this, and it got to this stage. A nice train. Another side of it. I don't use any powders, only brush. So I'm rather proud of it. It's not finished yet. It's a work in progress. It's only his first day in paint. It's still all very, very undone. And then we go to another one. And this is the Helper. Another beautiful, beautiful train. Dampflokomotive BR 89.0 der Deutsche Bahn. So it's a Dampf locomotive, it's a steam engine of number BR 89.0 of the German Locomotive Railways. And this I call Joe Biden. This is for my rec yard. Extremely older made one. And this is for my rec yard. And I have a truck, and I'm building a train rec yard. Show another side. Looks okay. Aged a little bit with some greenage on it, and it looks like Joe Biden. So this train gets the name Joe Biden, a relic from the past. Nothing against Joe, because Joe is a young guy. So we will put this one on the track as a relic. A bit rusty. Also in the beginning stage of it. He will get better. Joe will get better. Can you imagine it? That President Joe will get better. But this is my two new projects today. Just made them. The Vasily looks like an army guy. Looks like an army. No, it's not army, but he's not ready yet. And Joe looks like Joe. Hopefully he will put the pen in the right pocket. Mhm. So these are my trains for today.